I have seen New York City skyline before. I have been to New York City many a times. I have seen New York City skyline from a Hoboken State Park, New Jersey. I have seen it in the movies, Instagram posts, and the travel vlogs, including my own. I thought I knew what it looked like, but I did not know that what it looked like. Honestly, I was just wrong about it. When you are in that helicopter flying towards Manhattan at the evening, the Empire State Building is just standing there, light up in its full glory, and it looked like something out of the dream, just completely something out of the dream. You can see the Hudson River below you, this dark, shimmering strip of water, with the city blazing on one side and then New Jersey glowing on the other. The one World Trade Center building is already massive, but when you are on the ground, from the helicopter at that height, at that angle, it's just humbling. You realize at that moment that how small you are, and somehow that feels actually very amazing. We flew along the west side of Manhattan. You could see the Central Park from above, this perfect rectangular of dark green in the middle of all those lights. The Brooklyn Bridge, the Statue of Liberty in the distance. I was just trying to film everything, and at some point I just stopped looking at all those buildings, the skyscrapers. Because no camera, not my phone, not GoPro, can actually capture what my eyes were seeing at that moment. It was something out of the world. I was also looking at my parents, and I felt they were also very happy. We were all just got sucked into that moment. And yeah, that was one hell of an experience, guys. Once in a lifetime experience. The 30 minutes, I promise you guys, just felt like 5 minutes. And when the pilot announced that we were heading back, I genuinely couldn't believe it had already been that long. The landing was smooth. You come back down as gently as you went up, and those routers slow down as you step out. But still there is this mix and strange, kind of emotions you go through. Relief, yeah, because it's still a helicopter, but also this genuine sadness that it's over. Like, can we just go again, have one more round of Manhattan? We all were just very happy, and sometimes the best experiences are like that. We don't need to talk about it immediately, we just let it sit.